Union Business Cycle Fund NFO. Should this NFO be a part of your investment portfolio or should you look for other investment opportunities? Let's do a detailed analysis in this video to find out. Union Business Cycle Fund NFO is open till 27th Feb 2024. Now let's start analyzing some of its key features. It is a thematic equity scheme which comes under business cycle category. It's an open-ended fund type. It uses Nifty 500 TRI as its benchmark. The minimum amount for investment is Rs 1000. The fund managers here are Hardik Bora and Sanjay Bambelkar. If redeemed before 1 year, 1% exit load will be charged. Now let's understand the Union Business Cycle Fund NFO's investment philosophy and investment objective. Investment philosophy. It aims to invest in opportunities across leading sectors and stocks from time to time with a focus on riding business cycle. Investment objective. It looks to generate long-term wealth by dynamically investing in equity and equity-related instruments of performing sectors and stocks from time to time with a focus on riding business cycles. Now let's verify the suitability of this NFO. It seeks to provide long-term capital appreciation by investing predominantly in equity and equity-related securities of companies belonging to performing sectors and stocks with a focus on riding business cycle. It is suitable for aggressive investors who are more bullish on business cycle theme. Now let's see the pros of investing in this Union Business Cycle Fund NFO. This fund is strategically diversified among the top active companies which are part of the leading sector and stocks. Investors seeking for allocation to the business cycle team based companies can invest in this fund. If the business cycle team performs well, then those investors can generate inflation beating returns as it is a high risk, high return policy. It is suitable for aggressive investors who are more bullish on business cycle team futuristic performance. Pros of investing looks fine, but you should also be aware of the cons of investing to make a wise investment decision. It is riskier for short-term investors. This fund is not suitable for your core portfolio. You may overexpose your portfolio to negative triggers as well. It will be hard to analyze the risk as the allocation keeps changing from time to time. Can add more volatility to your portfolio. There's a high concentration risk involved in this NFO. When you're choosing this sort of NFO, timing and circle of competence should be on the higher side. And suppose if you are a retail investor, then you should look to avoid this NFO until and unless you have a guidance of a professional financial planner. And here the business cycle and economic cycle can change quickly. So going by the current trend, you expect a particular sector to perform well in the near future. But when the time actually arrives, it does exactly the opposite, which can jeopardize your overall investments. So far, I hope I have covered all the necessary details that you need to know as an investor about this Union Business Cycle Fund NFO. Now it's time for the final takeaway. Should you as an investor look to invest in this NFO or avoid this NFO? If you are a first time investor or a conservative investor, you should look to avoid this NFO because NFO in general doesn't have any portfolio or track record for that matter, which makes your entire investment completely risky. If you are looking to invest in business cycle fund, there are existing business cycle fund in the market which has a good track record of 7 to 10 years. When you invest in those funds, it will be more than beneficial for you to achieve your financial goals. It is not suitable for investors looking for investment for their core portfolio. If you wish to generate good returns on consistent basis, then you should look to avoid this NFO. But still, I would recommend you to consult a financial planner before making those investment decisions, as he will be able to guide you on investment objective, risk profile, overlap ratio and allocation part. His guidance will be more than helpful for you in achieving your financial goals, and his guidance will help you lead a peaceful post-retired life as well. So always consult a financial planner before making an investment decision. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe. Life as well. So always consult a financial planner before making an investment decision.